Alrighty, got the piggers on a new spot. Little piggos. Y'all are crazy. It's real thickened through here, but it's gonna be a nice little nest area for them. Provide some fuel for their little booties. Alright, so as you can tell, it's super humid out here. I've got the piggies finally on this new spot right here, real thick. So far they are loving it. So we'll probably keep them here for at least about a week and then move them on, hopefully, to the wooded area. What's up, YouTube? Today is sheep move, and we're getting ready to set them up. They're really mad at me because I've taken too long to get out here, but I got to weed eat my path, and we're gonna move them to new grass. So we're gonna move them right over here. That's where they're at currently. And we're just gonna move them right here to the side. All right, got them in their new spots. So getting better at moving them, trying to move them at least every 2 to 3 days. I think this might have been 3 or 4, but this grass is looking a lot better than it used to. A lot of orchard grass mixed in where we planted some, and then we got a bunch of the dandelions and stuff like that. And this is called Chinese something. We just looked it up, I totally forgot, but said it's really good forage for sheep and small ruminants. This is called mob grazing. Whoever looks like they're eating the best stuff, everybody runs to them, but it's all about the same. Sheep, sheep, sheeps. But it's a beautiful day. Glad to get to move the sheep. We're going to move the goats this afternoon, so I'm going to try to record some of that. All right. Now I'm going to set up their tarp, and we're going to move on to do something else. So we've opened up this spot for them. So now they got a bunch of thick grass to eat on. And I'll probably chop down some more of those tree limbs, so that'll give them something to eat for a couple days, and then we're going to move them up a little bit farther. Hey, Orvie. So you can see what they did in how many weeks? Probably 3 weeks, 2 weeks. The goats are chowing down. All right, it has been a kind of a long day, not too hot out here, but it's been pretty warm. But we got the sheep moved, we got the pigs moved a couple days ago actually, but it's on the video here, and we got the goats moved. So everyone has fresh paddock, fresh grass, fresh spot to hang out, and so we're going to go from there. I'm off Wednesday and Thursday this week, so I'll be home and able to do a little more around the house. I'm going to try to finish up the goat project, which is the goat shelter. I'm going to try to finish that up. I am also probably going to till a new spot for our garden, to add to our garden, because we found that we are kind of lacking in space for the garden. So we're going to make even more garden next year and hopefully have a good fall harvest. So be working on that. I got to clean up around my granny's place. Boring stuff, but stuff no less that I have to do around the homestead. So as you can tell, also I'm trying to finish the deck. We haven't painted yet. I'm redoing all the rails and redoing the flooring, as you can see right here. There's just always something going on, but it's keeping me going, it's keeping me strong, it's keeping me focused. We enjoy this. It's very fun. We really like doing it, and thank you for watching. Hopefully this was entertaining for you. I'm not really much on the teaching aspect just yet. We're still learning, so I'm not going to come on here and make a video where I'm like, this is how you do this, this is how I might show you how we do this, but I'm not an expert. I am learning as I go and learning from others. So thank you so much for watching, and we're about to eat some homemade taco stuff, burritos, whatever. So I'm about to feed my face. So talk to you later. Like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.